What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here and welcome. Today I bring you a device by Suorin. This is the Suorin Shine and it was sent to me for the purpose of this review by Suorin. Big shout out to them. So yeah, brand new pod. They actually have other pods that we're gonna review and they did send them to me. But they be on the game for a very long time, Suorin, and they have very good pods. This one is going to be a 700 milliamp hour battery. It's going to have button activated, auto activated. It's going to be back compatible with the Ace pods. It's going to have plenty of nice features, but obviously we go to all of that on up and close. So what we're going to do now? We're going to dive down. Okay, and here is the box where your Suorin Shine comes in. Inside the box you're gonna get your user manual, micro USB cable and an extra pod, 1 ohm pod. And here is your main event, the Suorin Shine. So this one is gonna be a 700 milliamp hour battery. The pod on the top, it will come with 2 pods, so one pre-installed and the other one extra in the box. They're both gonna be 1 ohm and they're both gonna do between 9 to 15 watts. I think the max output for this is 15 watts and you're also gonna be compatible with the Ace pods. You're gonna have this thing right here that says remove. And you're gonna have your filling port right here. It fits 2 ml of liquid. So let's fill up this bad boy right here. Even though it's kind of dark, you're still gonna be able, probably not on camera, but you're gonna be able to see your juice in there. Is not gonna be an issue. So this one right here, like I said, 700 milliamp hour battery is gonna be auto draw activated or button activated. It's gonna have 3 colored light indicator to tell you, how your battery. The light indicator is gonna be here on the bottom, or if you have any issues on the top. So on the front you're gonna have your fire button. You're gonna have Suorin Shine right there. Your airflow is gonna come through the sides on both sides. On the back, just Suorin right there. On the bottom you're gonna have a micro USB. Yeah, it's not a USB-C, it's a micro USB, but they give you one just in case if you don't have one. Your pod goes on the top. Doesn't matter which way you choose, you will go, so you're not gonna have that proper thing. This one goes there very nice. The one that I had, I don't know if it was not, let me grab it. This one right here that is slightly different, they sent me as an extra. The fitting is not, as you can see, it fits there, it holds, but it's not as good as this one. I do prefer this one. This one kind of clicks in there. But the other one works, not a problem. I do think they cover up everything. It's not a lot to cover on this one, so we're gonna come back on top and we're gonna run to pros and cons. Alright, then we're back, and that was the up and close for the Suorin Shine. So this one is gonna be available, if not already available, it's gonna be available pretty soon in the UK. So do a Google search if you're interested in it. So let's go to pros and cons now. I have one con for this one, is the fact that they give me the pod itself, and they also gave me extra pods. And the extra pods, they're slightly different. They're white in here, and the plug also is white when you fill up. And they're not as good as this one. This one really clicks in place. The other ones, they don't click. So I hope they do the same as these ones that come inside the box, because this one really clicks in there. Now the other one works perfect. It's not gonna fall on you or anything, but it doesn't have that extra click, so I do prefer this ones right here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it is a pod system. It is pretty lightweight, pretty compact. It's gonna have a 700 milliamp hour battery with a 1 ohm coil. It's gonna be very nice. It's also gonna be compatible with the Ace coils, so that's another very big pro. One thing that I did forgot to mention: 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. Sorry, that's another very big pro. I like when a pod can be turned off, just in case you want to put on your pocket. It's nothing really gonna happen, but at least it has that physical button there if you want to use it, or you can use the auto draw activated. The micro USB, not a big deal, even though everything now is USB-C, and I wish this one was. They give you one outside of the box. If you don't own one, just plug it to any wall outlet or to your computer, and it's gonna charge pretty damn quick. Now this one has a very good flavor. I think you know, companies who do now pods, they come a very long way, and now at days it's very, very hard to actually find a pod that doesn't have a nice flavor. This one is going to be able to do a very restricted direct long, even though I will recommend more the MTL, or you're going to be able to do more like a open MTL. It's not going to be that extremely restricted MTL, but it is a pretty damn nice flavor. It's going to output a maximum of 50 watts depending on the resistance that you have on the top. Obviously it's going to be automatic. So let's take a tooth on it. We're going to first do a MTL. Yeah, this one is going to be a pretty open MTL. Let's try to do a restricted direct long. Very nice flavor. You have the clouds. It is good for a restricted direct long, to be honest. I don't know how much you could burn the coil because it is a 1 ohm and you're gonna do a restricted direct long is that big and kind of long inhale. You might burn the coil. Is more like for open MTL. If you really like a restricted MTL, you're probably not gonna get on this one unless maybe you plug one of the holes on the side. Now it's still open. Let's try both holes. It gets a little bit more restricted, but yeah, this one is going to be open MTL or very restricted direct long. But it is a very, very nice one. It's going to come in a bunch of colors. It is compact, it works great, and it has a great flavor. Now, if you want to join my Patreon to have access to early content, exclusive content, and also a monthly giveaway, the link is going to be down below. We're going to wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.